Yes, this is another ESP deck, but before you scroll away, before you roll your eyes, this one fixes all of the issues that have been wrong for decades. I've used ESP decks in my performances for years, and I bought every deck under the sun, but none of them were quite right. So I decided to stop complaining and design my very own ESP deck. First of all, durability. Most ESP cards are made from paper stock, so mine needed to be made from premium plastic stock. That way if they get wet, it's no problem at all. You don't have to baby your ESP cards. You can just use them whenever and wherever. Second, card size. ESP cards shouldn't remind people of playing cards. They are for psychological experiments, not magic tricks and card games. So these cards are longer and narrower than regular playing cards. Third, the symbols themselves need to be the right symbols. I'll be honest, I hate the wavy lines, and most mentalists do too. Most want a deck of geometric designs, so in my AF ESP deck, you get a triangle instead of the wavy lines. But if you're really attached to the wavy lines, I've included those as well. And lastly, the markings. The markings needed to be easily identifiable and readable from a distance. So I built a simple marking system that can be easily understood, seen at a glance, and even read from across the table. In this project, I'll explain all the subtleties woven into these cards and teach you several powerful routines, including my signature 5-for-5 system from the original AF ESP deck. Right now, this might seem like just another ESP deck, but when you use it, you'll realize this is the last f***ing ESP deck you'll ever need. I'm Alexander Marsh, and this is the AF ESP deck.